Okay, I'm not sure if I'm the only fool out here, if you can even hear me, but here we go. The wind is blasting like crazy. I didn't think about the sand being like sand blasting, but anyway, we'll try. There's a couple other people we're going to try as well, so I'm really good here. So here we go. Today is September 3rd, and again using the CTX 3030, and see how we do out here. I don't know whatever possessed me to come out here, but this is nuts. Anyway, there's actually several people out here metal detecting, and I'm going to be on the Weather Channel. That's how crazy it is. They asked if they could interview me, and I said yes. So, one thing I did not think about was being sandblasted by the sand, so you have to stay next to the water, or it's just like crazy beating into the back of your legs, really, really hot. So, I don't know. The big challenge I have right now is going back. My back was to the wind coming down, and I'm going to be facing it going forward, so I have two options. Richard, another metal detector, sits down there, said he would give me a ride back to my car, or I guess my second option is to walk. But see, Denny's down there. I don't know if I can get him. Submit on him. Him and Richard, the guy that I met last night there, that's them right there. You can't hear me, but that's Denny. So So I'm back from the beach. It was really hard metal detecting out there. There were quite a few people metal detecting, but the winds were crazy, and the sand was really pelting like the back of your legs, and it stung really bad. And I would have much rather have probably gone up into the sand, the dry sand, and hunted, but it was just impossible. You were just getting pelted, so you had to stay next to the water, or in the water. And I did find a little bit, but I actually walked all the way down to the pier, and so this is what I found. So I've got just a couple of quarters, they're the state quarters. So got those, and then a couple of dimes, more nickels than I usually get, and then just a few pennies. Usually I get a lot of pennies, but I did get a wheat penny. So I thought that was interesting. So it says it's 19, I don't know if you can see it on here, if we'll be able to get that close to it. It's 1916. I don't know if you can see that at all. But anyway, I saw quite a few people out there, and it was challenging day metal detecting. Another thing that was pretty interesting is the Weather Channel was out there, and a guy was right on the beach with a microphone right where I was at, and he looked at me, and I said no, and he said, wait, come on, please just let me ask you a couple of questions. I was like, okay. So he just asked me if it was worth being out here and if I had found anything that was interesting. And so anyway, I tried to find the clip online, but I can't find it. But it was just quick, and he just asked me a couple of questions, and then they were gone. So anyway, then I got a ring while I was out there. I got all the way down to the pier, and I thought I would get some relief, maybe being under the pier or next to the pier or something, but it was just, sand was blasting everywhere. And I got a call from someone about a lost wedding ring that was lost in a front yard. So whenever I told the guy, give me a couple of hours to make my way back to the car, and took me a while. So when I got back to the car, I went and looked for the ring, and I'm not going to tell you the outcome, but pictures to follow. Okay, hope everybody enjoyed this, and talk to you later.